Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. The first thing to do is to cut the wings into sections and then soak them in some lime juice. You know when you always ask yourself, what am I going to do with all these Chinese takeout packets? Well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to make a marinade with all these sauces. Mix well until the marinade is a very smooth consistency. After 20 minutes, I rinsed my wings under cold running water. As you can see here, I have cut them into the flats and the drummies. Now I'm going to pour the marinade all over the chicken wings and make sure everything is well coated with this marinade so that nice seasonings will get into the wings. Now I'm going to cover the wings with some plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight. I have a baking sheet that I've lined with tin foil. Then I'm going to place a baking rack over the baking sheet. Make sure to bring the wings to room temperature before you bake them. Place the wings evenly spaced on the baking rack. Remember to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the rings on the middle rack of the oven. Now set your timer for 30 minutes. Here's some homemade Thai chili sauce that I'll be using for this recipe, but you can also use store-bought. After 30 minutes, remove the wings from the oven and brush on some mushroom-flavored dark soy sauce. Return the wings to the oven and bake for 5 more minutes. Place all the wings in a stainless steel bowl. Add the chili sauce to the bowl with the chicken wings. Now just mix well with the chicken wings and make sure everything's well coated. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.